a thick, heavy concealer to cover up my red spots. This is not blended out for maximum coverage under my foundation. Many a YouTube guru have told me that putting on powder after my primer is supposed to do something, so here I am doing it. I'm using a very light concealer to highlight the bridge of my nose, my cheeks, my chin, my forehead, and my cheekbones. Because I have deep set eyes, I apply my concealer only in this crescent moon shape right where my eye shape casts that shadow. Similarly to my eyes, I like to highlight right under my cheek because I have hamster cheeks and they cast quite a shadow. Do my cream highlighting very graphically to match the graphic, detailed eye look. When I do my eyebrows for cosplay, I draw them going straight upwards. I also make sure to keep the bulk of my product at the tail of my brow to make it the darkest. When contouring, especially if you, like me, do not have any semblance of cheekbones, make sure to draw a straight line under your bone and only blend upwards. I like to use a pink blush at the top of my cheekbones and blend it in towards the center of my face with a more peachy tone. When deepening my crease, I like to apply my shadow a little above my actual crease because with deep set eyes, eyeshadow likes to completely disappear once you open them back up. The elongated crease is essential for me. It's a perfect way to make your eyes appear longer and bigger and, well, anime-like. When highlighting my inner corner, I like to go a bit above it, just to make my eyes, again, seem bigger. Yes, my whole shit is stolen from drag queens. just make glitter differently. Please just cut your lashes apart before you put them on. Save yourself the trouble. I like to kind of change my lip shape by getting rid of that inwards curve that my top lip has. Same with my bottom lip, there seems to just be a lot of unused real estate there. I also like to accentuate this cleft I have in my bottom lip. I don't know, I think it looks cool. Alright, I'm done. Only the wig left. Eyelash glue to glue down your wig could be great if it didn't take industrial strength sandpaper to get off. I really like freckles. I add them to every character I can. They're just so cute. And that's it. We're done. Thank you so much for giving me 10 minutes of your time. Hope you didn't regret it.